Several components contribute to the high-pressure switch lockout in carrier HVAC systems. Let's examine the key elements involved. The thermostat displays error code 45 and controls system operation. The outdoor condenser unit releases heat from refrigerant under high pressure. The indoor blower circulates air through indoor coils. The high-pressure switch safety sensor that trips at excessive pressure. When a lockout occurs, pressure builds up in the system. The high-pressure switch monitors this pressure. Error code 45 appears on the thermostat or control board, accompanied by flashing LEDs to alert the user. Identifying these components helps in pinpointing potential problem areas for troubleshooting. Several issues can trigger a high-pressure switch lockout in carrier HVAC systems. The system pressure rises dangerously when airflow is restricted or components fail to function properly. The first common cause is a dirty or frozen evaporator coil. When the coil becomes clogged with dirt or frost, it restricts airflow through the system. This forces the compressor to work harder, rapidly increasing the pressure in the refrigerant lines. The second cause is a low refrigerant charge. When refrigerant levels drop too low, the system cannot cool properly. This causes the compressor and other components to overheat and strain, rapidly building up pressure in the system. The third cause is a faulty condenser fan. The condenser fan helps dissipate heat from the refrigerant. When it fails, heat builds up in the system instead of being released, causing pressure to rise dangerously high. The fourth cause is high ambient temperatures exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. In extreme heat, the system struggles to dissipate heat effectively. This puts enormous strain on components, causing pressure to spike and triggering the safety lockout. Addressing these underlying causes through proper maintenance and timely repairs is crucial for preventing repeated high-pressure switch lockouts in your HVAC system. Begin troubleshooting by resetting the system. Turn off the power at the breaker for 30 seconds to clear any temporary faults. Next, check and clean the air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow, which can cause high pressure. Clean or replace it as needed. Ensure the outdoor condenser unit is clear of obstructions like leaves, debris, or snow. Blockages can lead to overheating and high pressure. Clear any ice buildup on the evaporator coil. Ice can block airflow and cause pressure issues. Allow it to thaw safely. Finally, power the system back on and check if the error code clears. If it persists, contact a technician. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve error code 45, the issue requires professional intervention from a certified HVAC technician. These complex problems often involve specialized equipment and knowledge beyond typical DIY capabilities. Advanced fixes include checking refrigerant levels using pressure gauges, which measure the system's pressure readings to ensure proper operation. Inspecting for refrigerant leaks using specialized tools like UV lights to detect any escaping refrigerant, or replacing a faulty high-pressure switch that may have failed to function properly. Understanding refrigerant types and their history is important for technicians handling these systems safely. It's crucial to understand that attempting these advanced fixes without proper certification can be dangerous, potentially causing injury or system damage. Such DIY attempts may also void your equipment warranty, and improper handling of refrigerants violates EPA regulations and standards. Let's examine real-world case studies of error code 45 solutions. First, a homeowner in Arizona experienced recurring code 45 during a summer heat wave, with temperatures reaching 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The issue stemmed from a partially blocked drain line that caused the evaporator coil to freeze, restricting airflow and building excessive pressure in the system. A carrier-certified technician diagnosed the problem, unclogged the blocked drain line, and recharged the refrigerant to the proper levels. The total repair cost was $150, and the system has been running normally since. This case demonstrates how airflow restrictions can lead to evaporator freezing and subsequent high-pressure lockouts. Our second case study involves a commercial rooftop unit in a Texas warehouse that triggered code 45 due to overcharged refrigerant. The system was using R410A refrigerant. An excessive charge caused pressures to spike above safe limits during operation. Using Carrier's e-diagnostic tool for remote analysis, technicians identified the overcharge through pressure sensor data. The fix involved evacuating the excess refrigerant and recharging to the manufacturer's specifications. Downtime was reduced from 48 hours to just 4 hours, showcasing the value of digital diagnostics in commercial applications. These case studies highlight the importance of professional diagnosis for Error Code 45. While basic issues like airflow restrictions can sometimes be addressed with DIY checks, complex problems involving refrigerant management require certified technicians to ensure safety, proper repairs, and warranty compliance. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding high-pressure switch lockouts. Regular care keeps your system running efficiently and prevents issues before they start. Schedule annual HVAC tune-ups with a certified technician. These professional inspections catch potential problems early and ensure all components are working properly. Regularly clean or replace air filters every 1 to 3 months. Clogged filters restrict airflow, increasing pressure on the system and potentially causing lockouts. Ensure proper airflow around the outdoor condenser unit by keeping it clear of debris, plants, or obstructions. Good airflow helps maintain normal operating pressure. Consider installing a smart thermostat that provides early warnings of potential issues through monitoring and alerts. Proactive maintenance prevents costly repairs and extends the lifespan of your HVAC system, saving you money and ensuring comfort. The HVAC industry is evolving towards smarter and more sustainable systems. Newer Carrier models incorporate AI-driven diagnostics that can predict and prevent high-pressure lockouts before they occur. These intelligent systems use advanced algorithms to analyze sensor data and historical usage patterns, alerting users to potential issues before they escalate into lockouts. The industry is transitioning to eco-friendly refrigerants like R32 and R454B, which operate at lower pressures. This naturally reduces the likelihood of high-pressure switch lockouts. These advancements promise more efficient operation, increased reliability, and environmentally friendly cooling solutions for the future. As the HVAC industry continues to innovate, we can look forward to systems that are not only smarter and more reliable, but also kinder to our planet.